That's where we're shooting today with the hunting rifle. You see we got 3 hanging targets. We're gonna go for one in the middle. See how we do. Hopefully I don't suck. Alright, that should do me. That's what we're working with today. I have not sighted these bullets in, so we will see. Smoked it. I smoked it. See? Last time I was here with my shotgun, I couldn't hit crap. But that's not my fault. That's because the shotgun, I never sighted it in for 100 yards. So we'll do a couple more shots like this. I'm going to try to do a headshot on all 3 of those. Number 3, headshot. Boom, boom, boom. All right, now we're on the pistol course. Well, looky there. Here's the pistol course. We're gonna do that tree over there. Get this tree lined up so you guys can see this. I'm not gonna shoot super fast. All right, so all those trees there. Get this done. This is what I'm shooting right here. Canik TP9 Elite SC. It's a small little gun. It's got a decent little red dot on it from the same manufacturer. I stippled the grip so I can hold on to it better. And yeah, I like it now. I didn't like it before, but now I like it. I like it fire. I mean, I can shoot it better now that I stippled it and put this red dot on it. The other red dot was a Swap Fox, and it was terrible. All right, we're gonna go back for the tree. I missed a couple. That is basically just getting some shots in, getting some reps in on the gun, make sure I'm still efficient, and all right, that's all I got for you.